Hello. Today the problem states the average of 20, 70, and x is 40. If the average of x, 20, 70, and y is 50, then y equals A, 20, B, 60, C, 70, D, 80, E, 100. So what we would do here is, we know that there are three numbers here that the average of is 40. So what I would do is multiply 40 times 3. We get 120, and we know that these three numbers added up have to add up to 120. So if 20 plus 70 equals 90, but we still need to get to 120, that means that x must be 30. If you want to do the math, just do 120 minus 20 plus 70, which is 90, you get 30. So x is 30. Let me write it down here. But we know that the average of x, which let's replace it with 30, because we know it's 30 now. So the average of 30, 20, 70, and y is 50. Then we know that these four numbers have to add up to 50 times 4. So let's do it, because there's four numbers here. So we do 50 times 4. We get 200. And we know that 20 plus 70 equals 90 plus 30, which is x, equals 120. But we need to get to 200. So we do 200 minus 120, and we get 80. That means that y equals 80. D is our answer. So let's say, let's try plugging in different numbers for a different type of problem. Okay, so we do the same thing. We know that there's still three numbers here, so we know that 40 times 3 equals 120. So these three numbers added up have to equal 120, and 60 plus 20 equals 80. So we know that 120 minus 80 equals 40. So x equals 40. And so we can change x here to 40. So if the average of 40, 30, and 60 and y is 50, then y equals. So here all we would have to do is do 50 times 4 again, 200. We know that all our numbers added up have to equal 200. So 40 plus 30 plus 60, these three numbers equals 130. Plus y, though, it needs to equal 200. So 200 minus 130 equals 70. Y equals 70.